Who doesn't love the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the kitchen? Today we are making something truly wholesome, soft, fluffy whole wheat burger buns with a little twist. Instead of just buns, I am shaping the dough into 3 large burger buns and 1 small mini loaf. This recipe is simple, healthy, and completely doable at home, even if you don't have a big oven. If you have ever thought whole wheat breads are dense or dry, wait until you see these results. Pillowy, soft, golden, and perfect for burgers, sandwiches. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cakelicious Neha. Let's make whole wheat burger buns today. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 cups of whole wheat flour with 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and some salt. This forms the base of our dough and gives the buns a light nutty flavor from the flax seeds. In a separate bowl, take warm water, add sugar and active dry yeast along with some warm milk. Stir gently and let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Using milk instead of water gives the dough a richer flavor and helps create a tender crumb inside the buns. Now add the milk activated yeast mixture to the flour. Begin kneading the dough either by hands or with a stand mixer. Midway through, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead until the dough is soft, smooth, and elastic. The texture should be slightly sticky but manageable. Once kneaded, place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it and let it rise until doubled in size. This usually takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. You will know it's ready when it feels airy and springs back lightly when pressed. Punch down the risen dough to release the air. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape 3 portions into large round burger buns, making sure they are smooth on top. The remaining portion will be shaped into a mini loaf and placed in a greased mini loaf pan. This way, you will get the perfect buns for burger and a loaf that's great for slicing. Cover the shaped buns and loaf and let them proof again for about 30 to 40 minutes. They should puff up nicely, holding their shape while looking soft and airy on top. Give the buns and loaf a quick milk wash before baking. This time we are baking in an air fryer, so preheat your air fryer to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by baking the burger buns for 16 to 18 minutes until golden on the top. Remove them. Then bake the mini loaves separately for about 20 to 22 minutes. Tap the bottom of the bread. It should sound hollow when done, which tells you it's perfectly baked inside. While the bread is still hot, brush the tops with butter to give them a soft shiny finish. Then cover them with a kitchen towel while cooling. This keeps the crust soft and the inside tender and fluffy. And here's the final result. The buns are golden, soft and pillowy, and the mini loaf slices beautifully with a fluffy light crumb. These buns are perfect for building a healthy meal. Use them for a whole grain veggie or any kind of burger of your choice. Add fresh greens, sliced tomatoes, or even a healthy spread like hummus. The mini loaf is ideal for sandwiches, toast, or even a quick snack with some nut butter. This recipe proves that wholesome 100% whole wheat baking can be delicious and simple. Don't forget to check the detailed step-by-step procedure in the description box. I hope you enjoyed baking along with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know how your buns and loaf turn out. I would love to hear your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who loves homemade healthy bread. Keep baking and keep creating delicious memories in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy baking!